that's sea bream. So this is the marina, the Brighton Marina. So if you get your own yacht, so you can park on Brighton Marina. And then another thing here, you can do fishing. Yeah, you can do fishing. Yes. See something? Alright. Is it oh, is that is it mackerel? Oh, that's sea bream. Yeah, that's sea bream. Well done. Yeah, that's sea bream, isn't it? Sea bream.
Yeah.
Well done, well done. Barbecue! Yeah, they got the small boat. Small boat as well. So that's a good thing. We asked the guy over there. He came here at 4 o'clock. He got mackerel, just one.
What about you, sir? Have you caught anything?
Nothing. Maybe tonight. Alright. And mga kabibes, pag pupunta ka pala dito sa Brighton, mayroon lang 4 hours parking dun sa marina. So 4 hours parking, it's free parking. Yeah. And then maybe after that one, you can go to Asda. You got 2 hours free parking. And if you vote something, you got 3 hours parking. So alam nyo na, paano magkalibre ng parking for 8 hours. Yeah.
I'm not too sure if it's 3 hours. It's 2 hours.
So yan po mga vibes. Yeah, that's the Brighton seafront. So actually tinanong pala namin yung nakabantay dito. Yeah, yung nagbabantay dito sa fishing. So each rod they are going to pay £6. But this is open 24 hours. At sa kagandahan, may isang toilet doon. Sa dulo may toilet. At saka meron hindi naman siya gaanong magandang toilet, pero isang toilet lang. Yeah. Where's the big bus now? You can see it. Oh wow. Yeah, on this area there's a big bus. Look. There's another big bus. Wow. Yeah, but on this side you are not allowed to fish. Allowed to fish. Okay. So yun po mga kabibes, sa quick tour dito sa Brighton fishing area. Okay, maganda. Actually ngayon maganda kasi hindi siya mainit. Hindi naman siya mahangin. And of course hindi siya malamig. Kasi ang temperature today is 21. Tamang-tama lang. Pero of course don't forget sa inyong sunscreen pa rin. Yeah. Yeah, mayroon pang David Lloyd. So dito malapit sa David Lloyd's. Wow. So ayan po mga vibes. That's all. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye!